If you're planning on scalping, make it really tight. So this is your scalp, which is 1031, and I'd have a stop just below this candle wick. See it? So it's around 1028.80 it looks like. But this to me is very heavy, and I'd be extremely cautious here. If you want to wait for a better setup, I would. I would wait for the break up here at 1035.50. There it goes. There's the pull. I knew it. So I said I'd wait here or wait till it breaks this spot for puts. All right, there goes NVIDIA. Be careful. This is why I said be very careful. Please tell me, though, when this thing got back up here, you guys were collecting, right? So if you did 50 here and you did 20 here, and then down here, right, it's very dangerous. There's 20 more. So that's 50, 70, 90. You only have 10% left. Make sense? That's no man's land. It looks like it's about 1028. I would take the other 10% right off the table at 1028. And then if it drives above VWAP again later, go ahead and hammer those calls again. But at least you collected all your money. Look at NVIDIA here. Remember I said underneath 1028 is no man's land. Did everybody see this on my, look at where it stopped. Look at on my chart. You can't make this stuff up. Am I right? Look, this is your other 10% riding, right? Yeah. See this though? This is nice. That's why I said, see if it can work itself out. See if it can work itself out. If not, breaks below 1028, boom, I'd be out of there waiting for the next setup, which is going to be up here. This looks like about 1035. If this gets above 1035, that'd be my setup. Boom, right there. Out. See ya. And congratulations, that would be my out. Nice job, everybody. Not financial tax or investment advice. And then I just wait for a nice setup above 1035. Nice job, everybody.